translate yourself?
Yes.
Or will you?
I'll give that to him.
Some Arab brothers from outside the Jamaat, they ask, why do we respect, on what base
Respect
respect
Mohiyuddin Ibne Arabi.
Hazrat Mohiyuddin Ibne Arabi, and because we quote sometimes some of his writings, and not writings but references from his books, and some other parties of the Muslims, they try to humiliate him and call him different names. From what source? Why does
Why do they do it? That's the question. Hazrat Mohiyuddin Ibne Arabi is highly respected even in the West for his great philosophical trend, explanation of Islamic values, etc. And to the best of my knowledge, he was chosen for wahi by Allah. Many things were revealed to him from Allah directly. So I don't see why the other Muslims object against him. In which respect? Unless I know, I can't defend him. So have a good homework for the next time and find out why do they object against him. Then inshallah I'll be able to defend his cause.